Hello traders, welcome to another episode. Today I'm going to share with you how you can connect your Exness account to your MT5 account. Right, so this is my Exness account. I want to connect to MT5 platform, right, or MT5 account. So here I don't need to check for account details so that I go and connect them to MT5, right? So to this account, you just come to these three dots, then you come to account information. Then after that, they'll display for you some account information that you want to use, right? So here you just copy this MT5 login from down here. Then also the server, you can copy it. It is Exness MT5 trial 9. Okay, so after that, you just head to your MT5 platform, right? So MT5 platform is right here, and after reaching there, you just come here to your plus icon. Then after that, you come to your search and you search for the broker you are using. For this case, it is Exness, right? So you just type Exness Technologies, right? Exness Technologies, you just tap on it, and after that, you just paste the other login that you copied, right? So, and also the server, it is Exness MT5 trial 9, right? So, and also you put the password. Remember, you must have created the password to this account before actually using it, right? So you just put it there, right? After putting it there in all these details, right? So you just come to login and you log in your account, and automatically your account will be set here, right? So you see that the balance, you can see it, and also you can be able to see most of the pairs that you are trading. Hope this video has been helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing and give a like to this video. This is Jimmy. Stay safe and goodbye.